cleaning the bugs off the window. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning.
Good morning, Matt.
Good morning.
Everything because everyone's on their best behavior when they see a camera pointed at them. They go from going to oh hi.
That's exactly right.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Well, there she is, still floating, looking good. We got the Abner family with Kay. Going for a little boat ride today. It's cool. Doesn't look like it with everybody in their shorts, but the wind is cool. There's Matt. Say hi. There's Pam.
Ahoy there.
And Brian. With a big smile.
Oh, but Grandpa's got to unlock it first.
Well, we're getting ready to untie the lines. Go for a little motor. All right, push us off there. And we're off. We having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, thank you. Thank you for lying. That's the bottom right there. Woo. I'll bring it to the boat because the boat, I haven't ever waxed it, so it's kind of chalky. As soon as I bring that on there, it's going to be kind of chalky, you know. Get this. What I'm doing. Just stay in the center.
What's she doing? Grandma's driving.
Grandma's steering. Watch out, world.
I was like, what?
Thank you.
And here we have a panther or a sloth. I can't decide which.
Probably a sloth.
This one's drooling up here. Yeah, it's definitely a sloth. He hasn't moved. Beautiful day. The wind is kind of steady though because the smokestacks are showing us. There's the happy couple eating their gourmet ham and cheese sandwiches.
Gourmet, gourmet. Delicious.
Hello.
Hello. You're drinking beer, boy. Don't do that. You could have a beer belly like your grandpa.
Wouldn't take too long to get down to Tampa.
My two favorite girls.
I don't want to leave the boat. I like the boat. You like the boat? I need to figure this thing out. Just set it up there. Yeah. Thank you.
The heavy old bag.
Is it?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that got me praying.
You gotta figure out how to get the boat in the background. Maybe?
I don't know. Too much fun. Goodbye, little boat. Hang in there. Looks like it's gonna rain. Did we have a fun time?
Yoo-hoo.
So
I'm
cute.
so sad to get off the boat.
Patty